Welcome back to another tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to set up and manage vendors. If you're working with partners, affiliates, or marketing agencies, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. First, log into your Dialics account and head over to the Vendors section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Create and specify the name of your vendor. Next, let's set up your vendor. Click on the newly created vendor to edit it. Here, you can configure various settings. To add users under this vendor, click the Invite button and enter the user's email address. They'll receive an invitation to register and join the system. You can invite multiple users at once. Now that we've set up our vendor and invited users, let's talk about setting permissions. This is crucial for managing what your vendors can and cannot do. Go to the permission settings for your vendor. Here, you can allow vendors to purchase phone numbers, listen to call recordings, block spam numbers, and download call reports. Simply toggle the switches based on what you want your vendors to access. Remember, any numbers purchased by vendors will affect your account balance. And that's it. You have successfully set up your vendors. Keep track of their performance and make adjustments as needed to optimize your campaigns. If you have questions or need further assistance, drop a message in our chat or visit the Dialics Help Center. Thanks for watching.